Hello everyone, it's Bernina Jeff at High Fashion Sewing Machines and Quilt Shop. I'm not an employee of Bernina of America. I have a dealership here in Western Colorado. I had a customer call and asked, what kind of little mini handheld vacuum should I use to help clean out my sewing machine? Well, I've never done this before. I'm going to do a product review. I have 4 different ones I just bought on eBay, and when I find the best one, I'll put it on my Shopify account where you can buy it, or you'll be able to buy it on eBay or Amazon. But they are so similar, there's no fewer than 50 of these to choose from. Some of them run as little as $6. The top of the line one I think I bought for a little over $20. So we'll see what they go for and how well I know what they go for. Let's see how well they perform. So this first one, it's called a 2-in-1 vacuum cleaner. They look big on their advertising. I haven't even opened these up yet. So they come in, they look like they're all sort of designed the same way. This one actually has some instructions. So it kind of looks like a mini hair dryer. So it has some blow on that side. So let's assemble it. Got a filter, so we can put the filter in. Some of these, I saw their reviews and they say they come apart real easy. So we'll just see how well they work. They have a charger. These are all USB chargeable and they're handheld, cordless. So there's a lot of ways to do these. Let's just do one of these little small sections. So if you were in your sewing machine, you're going to be getting underneath your stitch plate and by your feed dogs and stuff. Let's see if this one works any good. So let's go with the first one. I have vacuum cleaner dust here from a vacuum cleaner. We just did our floors here at the store. And then granola. So let's see how the granola works. It looks like it's got pretty good suction there. That looks pretty good. It's sounding like we clogged up the filter, but the filter will come out and you can tap that clean. So you can unscrew this, take it to the trash can. You don't need to see this, and pull the filter out. So now it's good to go. That one's not too bad. Impressive. And if you want to use a little brush, you attach a little brush to the end there and you can kind of help brush out the lint in your sewing machine. So that's step number 1. This is product number 2. It's a 3-in-1 vac cleaner. Let's see what this guy includes. Of course we're doing the easiest sort of thing to pick up stuff right off of a hard surface. Similar design. Kind of feels about the same. Let's line up the filter to where it doesn't jam in. Slide it in. Okay, I give it a good secure so it doesn't come apart. Let's use the same tip. This one again has the same brush tip, and then it has have to look at the instructions for where that goes, and your charger. So let's see how this one works. This one may have a little more power. This one feels like it had a little more power. It might just be because it was charged a little better. Not too bad. Okay.
Look at the package.
All right. So this is. So you can find this on eBay or Amazon. So that's not too bad. I like that one. All right. This one. Let's see, it's a little different design. It looks more like a hair dryer. Well, it's about the same design. It's green. Okay, connected. Let's put the same hose section on there. And let's see what this does. It definitely It has a little vibration to it and sounds stronger, but about the same. I would say number 2 is still the better choice so far. All right, so these were on the low end. This was rated at 29,000 or 2,900 something something. So let's see what this does. Definitely looks classier. And a little larger. All right, let's get this assembled and get the filter in there. The third one came with 2 filters. Everybody else is 1. There we go. It does take a pretty good grip to get that in there. This one has a couple different adapter guys. So let's see what this same one does. Here we go. I don't know. Seemed to be about the same as the second one. Let me try the second one again. Really not that much different. This one was 3 or 4 times more expensive. All right, so that's my product review, and all of these would work somewhat nicely inside your bobbin case area. Maybe if you took the nose piece off your sewing machine to get the dust off, you know, it's going to do pretty well for helping remove dust with the right adapter, with that little brush adapter on. So let's just show you how that might pick up stuff here. See that? You kind of lose yeah. Not impressed. Number 2 would have my vote, and he's not a very high priced item, so check it out on the online shop of your choice. Remember, if you don't get exactly the same one, you're going to get something that may or may not work for you. So that's why I want to do a product review. And if you want to get exactly the right one, you can always go to my website. It'll probably take a week or 2 to get them in stock. And right now it's just the first part of April 2025. So thank you very much.